Mhm.
Is manifesting easy or hard? That's one of the questions Karen's going to ask me. Listen very carefully because all of you are confused, and that's why you're not manifesting. And you need to understand the technicalities of this question really, really well before everything starts flowing to you. So, Karen, what do you want to ask me today? Nice to have you here.
So you've just mentioned the first question, is manifestation easy or hard?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is it. Manifestation is a 1 second thing. New E-Class Mercedes, thanks. That's it. That is all you need to do. And just like, yeah, it would be nice. I have it. Not a biggie. I have sh life. I'm gonna go and live my life. I'm gonna do whatever I need to do. Yeah, that's cool. I can do that. I can have it. Yep, I like it. Done. That's all. Does that look hard to you, Karen?
No, not at all.
That's really, really this easy. 1 second. Yeah, $100 million.
Hmm.
Thanks. And
You
you
just
stay
think,
there and you don't waver. You don't ask any questions. You just stay there and you know it's possible, you know you got it. And you move on and make dinner, wash the baby, yeah, bathe the baby, go and, clean out the storage room, go and do your washing, go and do the garden, clean the car, whatever you need to do. You just live your life. Because, guys, do you realize that you were always manifesting actually since before you were born? Um, when you went to the first job, did you also pray for 6 hours every day? Like, I need to have first my job, and that you didn't know manifesting existed. You just said, I need a job before my parents kill me, that I'm not contributing. And you just went and got a job. That was the end of story. I want to have a degree. Did you also 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the evening, prayed on your knees and like no, you didn't know such thing. You just applied, you studied, and you got through. That's
exactly.
manifesting. You ask for something, you took the necessary step. You didn't doubt it because if you did, you wouldn't manifest it. You just knew that this is how it works. And it was done. It's supposed to
So
be
what
natural.
happened is that as we got older, or we started to doubt,
You started
right?
doubting
Yeah.
and you started
Yeah.
translating. You've been doing that since you were a baby, but you started translating like the times when you thought you failed as I'm never going to do that again because I hate failing. It's really embarrassing and everyone looks at me weirdly. So I'm never going to do this. 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 I'm never going to. So your whole life is I'm never going to do any of this. And the any of this is super huge. So if instead you said, yeah, I don't care about any of this. Who cares? No one. I'm just gonna go and things will work out. If they don't, it's a bridge of incidents, but everything I want always works out. I had first job, first car, first house, first sex, first kiss. And I didn't manifest it. I just got it because I said so. So why do I need to do it differently now? Why do I need to buy a yellow t-shirt, put stuff into microwave, whistle, pray and do EFT, monkey shit. Why do I need to do it? No, you don't. You don't. You just ask for it. You leave it alone. And you say, yeah, I can have it. It will happen. Oh, it's cool. I'm busy. I need to make pizza for the children. I need to do this. I need to do that. I don't have time for this shit. And you will manifest it because when you don't think about it and you have no resistance and you're busy with life, you will manifest it. It's inevitable. So, in that sense, manifesting is ridiculously easy. But guys, your biggest problem, it's really, really difficult for you or anyone. It used to be for me too. I mean, I'm not excluded to stay in that frame of mind. It's done. I have it. I don't have time for this shit. I need to go and enjoy life and take care of children and doggies and husbands and wives and whatever. You constantly like, yeah, I have it. But what if? So then you don't have it. So, but I have it. But when is it going to come? So you don't have it. So you're constantly wavering from yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And redirecting yourself from the no to the yes is the hardest part for you. And that's why you need to do the meditations, the affirmations, the journaling, blah, 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 which you don't, by the way, because you're just saying you don't have it yet. Again, it's a confirmation of you not having it. All you need to do is, I have it, and that's that. Yeah, but what if,
It's
hold on, just give me a second. But what if it doesn't work? No, it works because I already have it. All you do is redirect back to already having it, and you're gonna get it anyway. As long as the redirecting takes you a second or two and not days. If it takes you a second or two, you're manifesting at this speed. That's why it's difficult for you guys because you keep switching from yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And you think that to get here, you need to do all that hard work. No. Reminders. What do I teach you? Reminders. I already got this. Yeah, it's not gonna work, is it? You already got this. It's gonna take time, isn't it? You already got this. There's no time to have because you already have it. When is it gonna happen? Never because you already have this. You don't need for it to happen because you already have it. Is manifesting bullshit? No, because you already have this. Just stay here. You keep redirecting until you can touch it, smell it, feel it in your 3D reality. That's the hard part for you, but it's manifesting. So manifesting is both. For when you know that you're worth it, it can easily happen, and it does happen to you. It's 1 second matter. When you still don't know, it's very difficult. So it's like Schrodinger's cat. Yes and no, both at the same time. But it's only up to you if you make it just very simple and single. 1 second, this is what I want, and leave it alone, and you will have it. Does that make sense?
yeah, it's like going from yes to no, no to yes, back and forth is like an indecision, right?
Indecision, and that's why universe
Yeah.
says, I'll give it to her. No, I won't give it to her. I'll give it to her. No, I won't give it to her. I want to give it to her. No, I can't give it to her. Let me give it to her. No, I can't. And this is every 3 seconds. Imagine the state, the mental health of universe, okay? After you put it through this, okay? Just imagine the mental health of universe after what you do to them. You wouldn't like that. Imagine if you had a child and you said, "What do you want for dinner?" "I want fish and chips." "No, I don't." "Yes, I do." "No, I don't." "Yes, I do." "No, I don't." How long would you be able to cope with that?
Hmm.
Yet you do it to universe your whole life, every 3 seconds of your life, the whole time. And then you go, "But you didn't give it to me." What? Would you give anything to a person who drives you absolutely mental? Probably not. Okay.
So when the decision becomes solid, and that's when we start getting the stuff that we ask for, right?
Here, here, here. I have it. It's already
Mhm.
done. Nothing to worry about. Just go and do whatever, have ice cream and leave it a fuck alone. It's here, 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 here. And then things have to show up clearly. It's inevitable.
Mhm.
But not when you do no, no. That's crazy.
I
It's
like
called
I
karate,
like
not manifesting.
I like what you said here, because that sounds very powerful. Here, like it's
Home.
now.
This is your home.
Yes,
When you
yes.
have it, it's already home. This is your
Mhm.
home.
Mhm.
It's all ET call home, ET go home. This is home. Come back home. That's all. You stay here, you got it. You keep wandering around, you get lost. Everything will get lost. The delivery will get lost. So imagine that universe thinks that this is your home and this is where the devil delivers. And then you go, but also here and also here. I'm also here. I'm also here. I'm also here. And the universe doesn't know where to deliver. because you keep changing the address all the time. This is your home where you already have it, and you keep saying, but I'm also here because I don't know when it's going to happen. I'm also here because I don't know how it's going to happen. I'm also here because I don't know if manifesting works. And the universe is like, so where do you live? Because you keep changing your address. Really difficult to deliver, isn't it? When you go to Amazon and order something, you give them just one address, I assume. Or is there space for 5 different addresses somewhere? I haven't seen it.
Mm.
They don't have time for guessing games, do they? They just deliver to one address, just like universe. So, guys, it's up to you how easy or difficult you make it for yourselves. No one can do it for you, just you. Make sense?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have to decide and we have to, you know, like you say, be here, be home, right?
Stay home. That's your home. Where
Mhm.
you have everything you want, everything you desire, that is your home. It feels like home. Stay there. Why are you wandering around when there's nothing else anywhere around that? Stay here. That's where everything is. It's your home. So, yeah. Any other questions? Any other wonderful questions you have for me?
Yeah, the second one is what makes us so insecure that we cannot manifest naturally?
Ah, it's all the experiences you had which you translated like, I'm never gonna do this because it's embarrassing. Yeah, so it's your mother saying, don't sing, you have a horrible voice. So you're afraid to speak up. You're afraid to have presentations at work. Your throat closes when someone asks you something. Your communication center is gone because were so embarrassed and that your own mother told you, please stop singing. I can't listen to this. This is horrible. So you'd rather have no voice, really. So that's something you translate instead of saying, "Oh my God, she had a hard day at work, or her boss was bitchy again, or something." You said that there's something wrong with you, and you're never gonna open your mouth again publicly because that could be really embarrassing. That would be even worse than what she put you through. And every event there is in your life, in school, with parents, grandparents, teachers, peers, high school, university, job, girlfriends, boyfriends, you translate it as, I guess, from victim point of view and not winner point of view. And that's a losing game. So you became very, very insecure. While when you were born, you were very secure. Imagine that you had teams of people running around you. Mommy, daddy, two sets of grandparents, yeah, siblings, doctors, nurses, everyone. Oh my God, look at it. It pooped. Yeah. And everyone was running around you like crazy. You raised a voice and the whole household, okay, let's go. Let's run to the room. Let's take care of him. What does it want to do? It has to be taken care of. You ran so many people's lives. They had to do as you said. You were a super manifester, and then they got to you. Don't do this. Don't do that. No, you can't have it. Nah, 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 nah. And they took
Mm.
the surreal self-confidence and, yeah, security you had when you were born somewhere here. And you let them, and you never recovered. You didn't say, I'm not going to listen to this shit. I'm going to listen to me. No, you started listening to them. And that's why your natural ability to manifest, which was huge, because all you needed to do, and you got everything you wanted as a baby. You went into, now I have to pray, meditate, sing, whistle, stand on the right leg with a parrot in left hand and whistle to get, new car, new girlfriend, new boyfriend, new whatever. You let them. You let them to do that to you. You had a choice not to. We all had a choice not to, but no one told us that when we were children. So now you're an adult. Now you know better. Now you know that you can do far better than they ever told you, and you can disregard every single thing which ever happened to you, and you can decide right now, right this second, because everything in manifesting is just 1 second deal. This second, you can decide that none of that has any power over you, and you're gonna get exactly what you want, and you're gonna get it now.
So you could erase these experiences,
Yeah,
right?
you can erase them subconsciously, which I do in the 3 hour session. But you can also just decide none of that matters. I'm super self-confident. I have JR times 10 super confidence, and I'm gonna get what I want, and nothing and no one can stop me. And I don't care whether I could sing then or couldn't sing there. I don't care now. I'll sing anywhere because I can try to stop me. Yeah, you can make that decision right now. Nothing stopping you but yourself. So you can erase those things, of course you can, but you can also say, bye-bye. I'm done
Hmm.
here. I've had enough. Mother doing this to me, father doing this to me, father doing this to mother, mother doing this to father, them doing it to me, them doing it to my siblings, blah, 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 blah. Yes, we all have serious, sad stories, but I refuse to drown in them. And if you want to succeed, you will be the same. So you'll say, goodbye, that ended now. And now I'm the version which is so powerful and nothing from past has any power over me. And that's it. Declare that, claim it, and start behaving like it. That's the best medicine I can tell you about.
That's really good.
Make sense?
Yes, totally. Because you don't give it as much, you don't give it any importance, right?
No.
You say goodbye.
Yeah, it was your poor upbringing, your parents doing that stuff to you. It had everything to do with you, nothing to do with me. I feel sorry for you that you didn't see through it. You didn't educate yourself enough. I did, so I don't have to buy it now. Wish you well. Bye-bye. You have no power over me anymore.
And that can be done in minutes. It doesn't take very long to
No,
make
you
that
can make a list of
realization.
everything what always you consider the trauma or you consider the whatever. And you can write a list down and say, nope, 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 still nope, nope, not doing this. Goodbye. Take it to the nearest beach or ocean or lake or whatever. Fold it, push it in the water, let it flow away, and the relief you will feel should be surreal. And that's the old version leaving you physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically, leaving, and you're the newborn person you were always supposed to be. The confident, secure one who doesn't really care about what other people think, as long as I like myself, as long as I believe in myself, as long as I am doing the right, ethical, moral, kind things, but my way, then you have nothing to be afraid of. Nothing
Super
to be
simple.
afraid of.
Mm.
So I think this is one of the most powerful messages I have ever put across in both questions. You get this done and you're done. You're done. You are done. That's it.
Yeah,
That's pretty
great.
powerful, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you so much for your insights. Yeah.
Wonderful people. I'm doing a webinar, free webinar for people who want to break through a ceiling of income, through ceiling of not having enough money, and they are going for the millions. There's a link for it. There's also a link for my 3 hour sessions if you want to have this sort of chat with me and figure out what's going on and change it to get exactly what you want. So here you go. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And thank you, Karen.
Yeah,
Bye
thank you.
bye.
Happy manifesting. Bye-bye.
Bye.